All right, guys, today you learned about Daniel Boone and how he wanted to go west through the Appalachian Mountains. So, before we get started, I want you to make a compass. So, you're going to make a big plus sign, okay? Then we're going to think about what were those four cardinal directions. And a way that we remembered it was through the saying, never eat soggy waffles. So, never, which is going to make us think about the word north. And we go clockwise, right? Never eat, E stands for east. Soggy, S stands for south. Waffles, W stands for west. Go ahead and give yourself little arrows. And if you want to put a circle in the middle, you can do that. All right. Now, if you were not able to print this paper, that's okay. I still want you to make this compass up in the right-hand side of your blank paper, and I'm going to show you how you can sketch an image of the United States. So I'm going to give you a second, pause the video, make this. Excuse me. All right. If you were unable to print, that is perfectly fine. Watch what we can do. What you're going to do is you are going to draw a rectangle. It does not have to be perfect. Okay, there's your rectangle. You're going to give it kind of a skinnier rectangle down here. That's supposed to show Florida. And then you'll draw a kind of a rounded triangle here. That's going to be what we know as Texas, okay? So there's your sketch of the United States. You should have your compass over here somewhere. All right. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to sketch where the Appalachian Mountains are. So about halfway between Florida and Texas. You're going to go up, not halfway, but almost halfway. And you're going to make little upside down V's to show mountains. And they kind of go up towards this corner, okay? There you go. Those are going to show your Appalachian Mountains. And then you're going to make the Mississippi River, which will be, it's going to come out to the ocean, remember, because it has the mouth. It's going to come up and over, kind of like that, okay? Does not have to be perfect. All right, so now that you have your sketch, we're going to go over how we are going to color this in. So you're going to need 3 colors. Everyone's going to need 3 colors. If you have your paper that looks like this, or if you have your paper that looks like this, you need 3 colors. Red, yellow, and green. You can use colored pencils, you can use crayons. I probably wouldn't use markers, but if that's all you have, that's okay. So, our directions say, use yellow to color part of the part of the map where the first settlers from Europe lived. Remember, our first settlers from Europe lived on the east coast, or to the east side of the Appalachian Mountains. So, if you didn't remember, you could look up at your compass and think, which of these letters stands for east? And it's going to be the E. So you know it's going to be on this side of the Appalachian Mountains. So before you color down here, because remember we didn't have down here, we had just about to there, okay? Needs to color it yellow all the way up, but only on this side of the mountains, okay? Because this is where we were. This is where the 13 colonies were. Okay, so that's what it would look like if you have the printed version. If you don't have the printed version, it'll look like this. Okay. The next step says, color the Appalachian Mountains red. Remember, the Appalachian Mountains were hard to cross, so for a while the settlers did not move to the land past the mountains. So get your red, and you're going to color the Appalachian Mountains. Okay, that's what it would look like if you had to sketch your own. This is what you would look like, or what it would look like if you were able to print, okay? Now our last step is to color the land west of the Appalachian Mountains. Remember, the settlers wanted to move over the mountains, but they could not because it's hard to cross the mountains. So, how do we know which direction is west? Let's look up here at our compass. Never north, eat east, soggy south, waffles west. We were supposed to color to the west, so we're going to color this side of the Appalachian Mountains, and we're going to color it green. So this is where they wanted to go. All right, that's what it would look like if you had the printed version. If you did not, you're going to color over here. All right, guys, nice work. See you tomorrow when we learn more. Bye.